First, just tell us the significance of this trade truce between U.S. and China. To what extent does this actually eliminate some of the bearishness that we're seeing in the market at the moment?
Well, it is a huge event. I mean, we've been waiting for months now for some good news to come out of this, basically a stalemate between U.S. and China on trade relations. So the meeting yesterday was a huge breakthrough, and I think kind of a sigh of relief on the part of farmers. I think, the details are a little sketchy, but I think it's a very, very good news for farmers.
So, Lindsay, tell us what's next then. As someone who is in the industry, so we've had this deal announced. As you mentioned, not a lot of details to it these last, 48 hours or so. What would be the next step then here? Who are you waiting to hear from? Help us understand that bit.
Well, we're kind of hoping the next step is that I saw a clip, or I heard a clip on the radio today of the president saying that China was going to immediately start importing massive amounts of agricultural products from the United States. Now, I don't know what massive amounts are. That sounds really optimistic, but I think even any amount of agricultural exports going from the U.S. into China is good news. And we have a moratorium on any further tariffs, which is great news. And so we have time now for the two countries to sit down and actually start some kind of a negotiation process. So it's I think this is a good news for farmers, and I think everybody's pretty happy about it.
So, Lindsay, how soon do you think that we could see U.S. soy ships head to China?
Well, just a speculation on my part, but typically this time of year is when a lot of American soybeans have made their way to China, because it's kind of in between. It's, the South American crop has been almost all used up. So I think that if soybeans are going to be part of these massive ag exports that go into China, that it's going to start pretty soon.